Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial uncovers a fun song from the 70s called Amie. It was written by a gentleman named Craig Fuller and performed by Pure Prairie League. Amie peaked at number 27 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1975. Now before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes. You'll find my music there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. And then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my BeatBuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a fun country rock song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through this great song, you're going to need to know 6 chords, and they're all very easy. Let's have a closer look at them now. The first one is an A major. You're going to need to know a G chord. There's a D. There's a C chord in it as well. Now for the record, I actually use a C add 9 in its place. You can use either or, both work just fine for this song. What else is there? There is a E. And finally, a B minor bar chord. That's it. Those 6 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Well, let's get to the cover.
I can see why you think you belong to me. Never tried to make you think, let you see the one thing for yourself. Now you're off with someone else and I'm alone. See, I thought I might just keep you for my home. Hey, what you wanna do? I think I could stay with you for a while, even longer if I do. Don't you think the time is right for us to find all the things we thought weren't proper could be right in time? And can't you see which way we should go together or alone? I can never see what's right or what is wrong. Don't you take too long. Hey, me, what you wanna do? I think I could stay with you for a while, even longer if I do. Now it's come to what you want, you've had your way. All the things you thought before faded into gray. And can't you see that I don't know if it's you or if it's me? If it's one of us, I'm sure we both will see. Won't you look at me and tell me, Amie, what you wanna do? I think I could stay with you for a while. if I do. Amy, what you wanna do? I think I could stay with you for a while, even longer, if I do. I keep falling in and out of love with you, falling in and out of love with you. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I keep falling in and out of love with you.
All right, let's have a closer look at the chord progression to this fantastic song. We're going to break it into 3 parts. We'll have a look at the verses first, then we'll dive into the choruses, and then we'll finish it up with a closer look at that opening riff. Now, I should tell you, it's a much more simplified opening riff than the original version by Pure Prairie League. As I always do here at the Acoustic Lounge, I try to simplify a song so it's much easier for a beginner to pick up and play. With that said, let's have a closer look. We're going to get into the verse first. The song basically starts on the A major chord. Here we go. I can see why you think you belong to me. Never tried to make you think, let you see the one thing for yourself. Now you're off with someone else and I'm alone. See, I thought I might just keep you for my own. And then you jump into the chorus. Let's have a closer look at that rhythm of that chord progression. I believe I can help make things a little bit easier by slowing that down a little bit for you. Let's have a look. Okay, that rhythm in the chord progression and changes can be a little bit challenging if you're just trying to figure out this song for the first time. I'm going to see if I can't slow it down for you a little bit, although it's challenging. It becomes second nature after you've played the song over and over again hundreds of times, but it can be challenging when you're first starting it. So let's slow it down. Basically from the A, so I'm almost strumming all the open strings as I transition from the A to the G to the D. I'll slow it down again. So if it's sped up and you get that rhythm, it sounds again like this. That's it. Let's have a closer look at the chorus. All right, let's have a closer look at this really catchy chorus. It's played with the same chord progression as the verse, but played slightly different. Let's have a closer look now. It too starts on the A chord. Here we go. Amy, what you want to do? If I do. And that's it. Let's jump right now into that opening riff. Okay, let's have a closer look at that simplified opening riff that I incorporate into the Acoustic Lounge version. Remember that it is much more simplified than the original version of Pure Prairie League. They also start on the 4th string 2nd fret E. I actually started on the 5th string of the 7th fret on that E. So I find it easier just to play through it on the numbers. You can watch this over and over again, this part of it over and over again, and I know you'll get her down. So basically, it's on the 7th fret, 5th string. Then we jump up to the 9th fret, 5th string. We're going to go to the 4th string, 7th fret. The 9th fret, 4th string. We're going to slide up to the 11th fret, 4th string. 3rd string, 9th fret. And the 11th fret, 3rd string. And then back down again. So, in the simplest way I can show you, and that's it. As long as you know where it's played, you can get that rhythm down fairly easy. And there you have it, Amie, performed by Pure Prairie League. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. I would truly, truly appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button and follow my page. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.